In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Stripe account using Google as a tool to streamline your processes. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your Stripe settings are up to date and functioning smoothly. Whether you're managing a small business or just handling personal finances, getting this set up properly is crucial for seamless transactions. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to access your Stripe account. This might seem straightforward, but let's ensure you know exactly what to do. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Stripe website. Having your login details handy will save you time here. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up to create one. Once there, enter your email and password. Be sure these details are secure and confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Settings tab. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with various options. From here, look for the Connect option. This feature is vital as it allows you to manage and customize how you connect and interact with external applications and platforms. After you click on Connect, you'll see the OAuth setting. OAuth is a protocol that lets third-party services access your account without exposing your password, providing an added layer of security. Click on the OAuth section to proceed. In this section, you should be able to view your live client ID. This ID is essential as it serves as your identifier for partnering applications. Take a moment here to confirm that Connect is activated. If it isn't, you must ensure it's enabled so that your operations aren't disrupted. This step verifies that everything is set up to integrate smoothly, enabling you to efficiently and securely use Stripe's capabilities. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully updated your Stripe settings, ensuring that everything is in place for smooth and secure transactions. By following these straightforward steps, you can now manage your transactions more effectively, making use of the tools available through Stripe and Google. It's always a good idea to periodically check back to ensure everything remains current, and now you're set to do just that. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy managing.